The Motor City Machine Guns, Alex Shelley and Chris Sabin officially made their surprise debut on the July 30th, 2026 episode of AEW Collision at the Masonic Temple in Detroit, Michigan, announcing that they have officially signed with All Elite Wrestling. The legendary tag team arrived to a massive hometown ovation immediately following the expiration of their 90-day WWE non-compete clauses, having previously been released by WWE in April 2026. Addressing the crowd, Sabin and Shelley declared they are thrilled to finally be in AEW where the best wrestle. Punctuated by the official All Elite graphic, their arrival massively bolsters AEW's tag team division and finally paves the way for long-awaited dream matches against top-tier teams like the Young Bucks, FTR, Cope and Christian, and more, reviving plans that were originally shelved when the duo chose WWE over AEW ahead of All In 2024. Check out all my merch links in this video, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.